Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Shanae, and today we're going to talk about how to store and freeze macarons. This is the final video in my Master Your Macarons mini-series where we deep dive into a specific area of making macarons. And today we're going to talk about how to properly store macarons. Here I have freshly filled macarons, and what I usually do is the first step is to mature them. And to mature, I keep my macarons flat as so and put them in the fridge for about a few hours, about 3-4 hours, wrapped with a plastic wrap and in this flat position. Once the filling is firm and they're not moving as much, like for example, right now this buttercream is nice and soft, so they're kind of like wobbly, and that's why we want to keep this position first and then refrigerate it for a few hours. And once it's nice and firm and it's not moving anywhere, I put them on vertically like this and then stack them in an airtight container like this one. Airtight container is really important so that you don't get any different flavors from the other things in your fridge get into your macarons, and also that way your shelf life for macarons will be longer. I like this airtight container from Rubbermaid. This is not sponsored, this is just a container I really love. You can use plastic container with a lid, but they're not completely airtight, so they will get absorb flavors and things from the freezer and fridge. So make sure to use airtight container. You can use freezer bags as well, but I find they don't protect the shells, the macarons as well, so they can break easily. And if you're just consuming yourself, it's no big deal. But if you are selling especially, you want to keep them in a top-notch shape. So I recommend this container. Really works beautifully. It's really nice quality and light because it's plastic, and because we're not gonna cook anything in this, I like this lightweight container. So, like I said, first step, refrigerate until the filling is nice and firm. Then stack them in an airtight container upright, and then that way you can fit a lot more macarons in a container, and then mature it that way for full 24 hours. And after 24 hours in the fridge, you can take the matured macarons and put them in the freezer right away, like in this container. You put it in the freezer and you can freeze it up to 3 months. Preferably up to 1 month, it's the best shape, especially if you're selling macarons. You don't want to sell macarons that are older than 1 month in the freezer. But freezer is the best friend for macarons. That's how you can keep the best quality in the freezer. Nothing bad happens in the freezer. It's actually the best way to store macarons. The next thing is, I really love this clamshell container for macarons. Fits beautifully, it's great presentation. However, this is not airtight container. So if you're going to store your macarons in this kind of container, you want to put it in the freezer bag. This fits in the 1 gallon freezer bag perfectly. So that's how I store macarons if I were going to store it in this clamshell packaging. It makes a nice presentation. It's perfect for gifting. Now, can you freeze unfilled shells? Absolutely, yes. You still want to keep your shells in an airtight container so they don't lose its quality. You still want them to be nice and moist and perfect. And so you can stack them. I usually stack my macarons shells like this. You can freeze them like so and then bring them out whenever you're ready to fill. But again, you still have to mature it in the fridge after you fill your macarons. Now let me touch base on how to thaw your macarons, whether it's filled or unfilled. You don't want to take them out of the freezer directly onto the counter, especially if you're going to sell it, because if you sudden change in temperature will cause condensation on your macarons. In my basic macaron recipe video, I actually have a video where I was taking the macarons and put it in a clamshell packaging, and they were super glossy, and someone asked how I made my macarons so glossy, if I covered anything, but that was actually a mistake on my part because I was in rush. I was trying to make a video, so I just took it out from the freezer and on the counter, and I started making a video, and they become glossy. Condensation caused the glossiness, and so that to prevent that, you want to take your frozen macarons, whether it's filled or not, and put it in the fridge for about a few hours to thaw gently. And then after the fridge, I usually bring it out about the night before, after when I'm planning to consume them. I bring it out 24 hours prior from the freezer to the fridge. And then once it's thawed in the fridge for a few hours, I bring it out on the counter and let it come to room temperature before serving. That way, the macarons are not going to be too cold to bite into, and everything will be at room temperature. It's the best experience. So that's how you store macarons. And if you have any questions, if I missed something, please drop the question in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.